Oh my god, that is so cool. Look how cute those are. They have a whole Halloween section here. I'm so excited for Halloween. Oh, these are so cool. Wow. Oh my god, these are so cute. I don't think so. That is cool. Okay. How much are you? $40 for this. I might want it. Alright guys, let's go home. I just did an apartment tour, so it's freaking hot, you guys, and I'm melting already. So thankfully I've got some water with me. I've got 2 bottles of water, so one is almost done. But let's go home. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I'm gonna get something to eat and then I'm just gonna relax. It's so hot. Hey guys, so we were supposed to go out to downtown Summerlin, but I don't know, so many like strange things were happening that we were like, maybe we were just not meant to go. So we decided to stay home, but we wanted to get a few things for the Universal trip. So yeah, I was like, you know what, let's just go a different day. It doesn't matter. But I finished up my Australian vlog, my last one. And I put it out yesterday and I got a comment about my weight. I think that's my first weight comment about how I have put on, you know, I've gained weight. And that is true, I've gained weight, you know, obviously when you go, I don't know, back to your hometown or something like that, if you understand this, I ate a lot of food, so, and a lot of like my favorite chocolates and stuff. Also, something happened to me before I left to Australia and it was out of my control, and it's something that I've been through before. If you are a woman, you know what I mean. And so when I went back to Australia, I ended up putting the Nexplanon on, like the birth control, and that made me feel like I gained a lot of weight. And I mean, I've been dealing with this since what, when I first got my period at 11, you know, I started to gain weight, then I lose weight, and then obviously teenage years, you know, I fluctuated a lot. And when I got on birth control to help with my periods, because I get really bad periods, you know, I gained weight as well. So it's hard, you know, when you're a woman, so many freaking things happen to your body that, I mean, sometimes it's just hard to control it, you know what I mean, because it's out of your control. You go on birth controls, and most birth controls, you know, make you gain weight, and then you like to eat. Like me, I love food so much. And on top of that, I don't have a gallbladder, so I gain weight fast than before when I did have a gallbladder. So yeah, my dude, I did definitely gain weight. But, and I don't know if they meant it as like a malicious thing or not, but I really like, just, it's crazy how some people just gonna comment on your weight. I mean, it's all good, like it doesn't bother me, you know. I just, you know, be mindful that women go through it, you know. They go through so many changes in their lives, and lucky for some men, you know, they don't get to go through anything that we go through. And it's just kudos to you guys, you know, like my husband, you know, I need like every skincare possible and he just needs soap, you know what I mean. And I gain weight, I get bloated, and I get frustrated, and I break out in pimples. Nothing happens to him, and so I'm just like, wouldn't that be nice? The only thing I think that has happened to Richard is that his metabolism has slowed down, obviously, since he was a teenager. But other than that, like, he does not gain weight, you know, and he loves to eat as well. And like, if we eat the same, forget it. I will definitely pack on the pounds a lot faster. And so it's just like, it's just so stressful, you know. And I myself have been through so much in life that I'm just like, whatever, it is what it is, you know. I obviously put myself out there on the internet, and you know, I've got a strong skin on me, so nothing can really hurt me, you know, as much as my past has. So just be mindful, you know, like if you're just saying it as like informational, or like getting, you know, wanting to like ask me a question or something, yeah my dude, I definitely put on weight. But if you're being malicious, then you know, it ain't nice, you know what I mean? It ain't nice to call out on someone's weight, you know. I'm a person that if I got nothing good to say, I ain't saying it at all, you know. I'll say it in myself, I'll say it to myself in my head, but I'm not out there to hurt anybody, you know what I mean? So just be mindful.
That's nice.
That's not bad. Didn't know that they have that. Oh, but look at this one. They have little ones. Okay guys, so we're looking to get some like IV or liquid IV. Richard said that there was a cotton candy one, and I was like, we can't find it. So they have acai berry. They also have this one, which I thought was pretty cool. I don't know. Let's keep looking. Right, we're gonna find it.
$1 each.
Wow.
You're paying like $2 less.
Oh, they're setting up for Halloween. That is a nice Esky bag. It's got a nice color for $34.99. Hey, that doesn't look bad. Looks quite nice. Like you can take it to like Disney or Universal.
That's true.
And you have like cold drinks. Oh, look at the little things.
Be like $50.
Yeah, that is so true. But
25 is not
20,
bad.
yeah. That's not bad. Ozzy.
You could get that.
Yeah. It'd be nice.
And the hose is right there.
Look at this Mickey Mouse cup, you guys. It's massive. It's $40. You guys, I found this here. I need to get me that mask, but I love this store. I love coming here. You literally find like the cutest things. Look how cute this is. I gotta get a bunch of masks. Alright guys, so I literally just bought like a bunch of masks. I got this one in Australia and I absolutely loved that one. I feel like with this pink one, you leave it, like you actually sleep with it, and apparently like it clears up and everything. So I'm gonna test it out tonight. I definitely need some moisture. That's why I got a bunch of masks here. This is my favorite place to come and get masks. This is Chinatown, so I love coming here. I was so close by, so I was like, you know what, let me stop by. And yeah, now let's go home because your girl is hot. It is 108 Fahrenheit, so I need to go home. Hey guys, so I'm just here downtown Summerlin. I just bumped into one of my subscribers, Jacqueline. Thank you so much, and it was such a pleasure just talking with you, and thank you for just supporting my channel, and thank you. You made my night. Hi guys, so we're just getting some boba tea, and we're gonna chill for a little bit and sit down and relax. Hey guys, it's currently Sunday and we are gonna do something that is gonna surprise you. We're moving. We are moving. So we are going to look at some apartments today for ourselves. How crazy is that? I have actually helped myself a lot because I've looked through all the apartments that I've done. So yeah, we'll see if I go with the ones that I have done or we'll go with new ones. So wish us luck. This is gonna be stressful, but yeah, but we're super excited to move. I cannot wait. Hey guys, so we just came back from the apartment that we were looking at and we are going to apply. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I want to move out of the place that we're at and just start the next new chapter. So I'm so excited. We can't tell you obviously the place that we're moving to, obviously just for like privacy reasons, but it is a really nice one and I really like it. So yeah, fingers crossed everything goes well. We're gonna apply today and then see what happens. So wish us luck. All right guys, so 2 centuries later, we are finally done applying for this apartment. I don't understand why apartments make it so freaking difficult. They literally asked us everything. I felt like I was back in immigration again, like asking me like 1,000 questions, but whatever, it's done. Don't want to deal with anything with apartments right now. So, but yeah, it's so freaking stressful. Like, I don't know, I feel like they just need to start making the process just a little bit easier. Like the process, not, yes, you can ask the same questions and whatever, but the process needs to be just a little bit more easier and less complicated, because my goodness, like I think I called her like 9 times just to ask like, hey, what about this? Or hey, this is not working. Or hey, this is, I was so stressed out. I was ready to be like, let's just worry about it later. But no, we don't have later. We need to do it this week, and that's why we did it today. We're just gonna cook some steak and then come back home, eat, and just watch movies all day. Tomorrow is Labor Day, so obviously the weekend is 3-day weekend for us, or for Richard. But yeah, I'm just a little stressed out. I have a massive headache now, so I don't know. That's how I get, like every time like things like this happen and they don't go smoothly, like I feel like my blood pressure goes up and then I get a headache and then I'm just like, yeah, in like a funk. But just fucking life of being an adult. It's so annoying. Okay, I'm going now. I need to shut my mouth. I'll see you later.